Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on BEPRO network.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and this is not financial advice, and we'll be going through why BEPRO Network is one of the best gaming NFTs out there, and why it is such a small low cap, and why it's got a lot of potential in this bull cycle.
Before we get into this video, please may I say, press this red subscribe button, as only 5.6% of you actually subscribe to watch our videos. And also if you could press the like button, as it really helps us out in the YouTube algorithm, and also leave a comment for future videos that you would like us to upload. Thank you. Let's get straight into the video. So first things first, you'll be looking at this and you'll just see a load of zeros and an extremely small market cap, and you'll just think why. So if we have a look at the circulating supply, we'll see there's 10 billion in total, but there's only 1.8 billion in circulating supply. So we do have 8 billion to be released, which means the price will go down due to this. But in the long term of things, if you can hold, I can't say when they'll be releasing more of these coins, but I'm assuming in the near future or over time it will happen. But if we have a look at where it was before the huge dip, it was at 4.6 cents, and now it's just a fifth of a cent, 0.005. So there's huge gains to be had there, to be fair. A nice little gain to be had there. So if we see it, if we saw the huge pump, look at this huge pump here, just one day, this pretty much 8 days this was, huge pump, and then just a huge rally down. So we could be seeing this to happen again. We could be seeing this again, and it could go above here, because it's gone pretty much down to where it was before.
So as we can see here, BEPRO has its own web app that you can basically access. Also, you can contact the group, as they are very transparent, and they've got currently 50 plus bounties on their project, and they've got 10 plus public products on their project, and they've got an infinity amount of possibilities for what they can potentially make. So they currently offer to us a gaming kind of side to NFTs, which is great, and it's something unique to BEPRO. And with a market cap of 10 million, just under 10 million, with 9.4 million or something, we can literally expect BEPRO to do very well within this bull run. As you know, there's going to be a lot of adopters once they start noticing that BEPRO is an upcoming great project. And also, there's some rumors that, you know, Bitboy Crypto has been talking about this, and potentially he's not made a video about it yet. And as you know, Bitboy Crypto is one of the biggest crypto channels on YouTube, and I don't really agree with most of the stuff he says, but you know, he has got a big audience, and the market cap is only 9.4 million, so $9.4 million. So in my opinion, I think this could, you know, do very, very well if, you know, Bitboy Crypto does promote this coin. Yeah, it would allow many people to get in and get out with a nice amount of profit. So yeah, it's a great project. And yeah, there's a lot of potential for this coin.
So if we see here, it's designed for developers, so you can get your project up quicker, and so basically you can create your own projects using BEPRO. And if we have a look at who's building on BEPRO themselves, we can see these huge people here, and you'll be able to recognize a few. One being poker markets. Now this is huge that poker markets using this. This makes BEPRO more trustworthy, and there's more zero risk to be using this. And also, as you can see, it can be used for NFT platforms, informational markets, prediction markets, DeFi gaming, and many more. And it's also fast and to be scalable, which is very good, and it's also decentralized. And here's more people that are backing BEPRO to make it even more trustworthy.
As you may know, the saying is be pro or be poor, and there's a lot of, you know, big celebrities and big influencers that say that kind of stuff, be pro or be poor. And this kind of, you know, brings a lot of publicity to BEPRO. And as you know, it's very, very small. And it used to be around $30 to $40 million market cap, and now it's at very, very small, fraction of its current market cap. So yeah, overall, I'll give this coin a nice 9 out of 10. The performance that it's had is crazy, and it's not been performing as good as you may expect for many other projects within like the recent months. However, the potential for this coin, okay, keep in mind when you get in that all-time low, all right, and it's not really reached all-time low, and I find it hard to reach there, as currently only at $9 million market cap. Like, you have to think, how far low can you even go? So when you're getting it at these prices, at very low prices, you got to think like early potential is upside. This is a great project, all right, and it has a lot of people that are backing it, and potentially DAO Maker, which is a great project, is potentially going to partner with BEPRO, so we are expecting a lot of upside potential, and yeah, there's a lot of great news coming up for BEPRO, so I don't see why this wouldn't be part of your portfolio. Even though this is not financial advice, and it's just giving you an insight on what projects are great, BEPRO is one of them, and it's one of the lowest caps that we've covered. So it's got the highest potential out of all the coins that there is. And in my opinion, I wouldn't tell no one to miss this opportunity to get into BEPRO at least.
Another thing just to add to that, just to show how good it actually is of an investment, it was also added to the Binance Smart Chain. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press this red subscribe button, also like the video, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you.